Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bernice, and if you're not new here, thank you for watching. I know that I've been gone for a very long time, but I've been so busy. I'm currently on my junior year studying for, oh wait. So if you didn't know, I am currently on my junior year in college, and I'm studying for biology. And let me tell you, it's been getting rough. So I just needed to take a little bit of a break. And I was focusing more on TikTok videos and growing my Instagram, just because the videos that you make there and pictures, they don't really take as long as YouTube videos. It's a little easier. Well, not a little, but it's a lot easier. But I'm back, and I'm gonna be showing you guys an updated makeup tutorial because it's a new year and my technique has changed. So let's get started. I just finished applying the number 7 Airbrush Away Primer, and before this I did my face routine, so I made sure I moisturized my face and put on my sunscreen before I even started doing my makeup. I love this primer. I honestly am running out, and I don't really like to use it unless it's for a special occasion because I love it so much. But since this day is special, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna be going in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. This is in shade 32. Okay. And this is kind of a medium shade. I honestly use this because of the consistency, because I mix 2 different concealers. Right here. I also like to put some around my lip area right here. I think it's called reverse contour. I saw it somewhere and I've been using it and I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Warm. And I'm just gonna go a little bit because I actually find this to be a little bit drying instead of hydrating. So I just put a little bit. So now I'm going to be using the Infallible Long Wear Shaping Stick Foundation, but I use this for my contouring. This is in shade 410. So with this, I'm going to feel where my cheekbone is at, right there. I'm going to go right above that, okay? Because this is going to give that illusion of your cheekbones being higher. It gives you a lifted look. Same thing with the other side. And on my forehead. And here. So now I'm going to be spraying my face with the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist with coconut and argan oil. I do have dry skin, so if you have oily skin, this is not for you, but it works amazing for me. So anybody that has dry skin, this stuff is amazing. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender and start blending. I like to contour under my foundation because I notice it gives more of an airbrush look. Now to blend out the dark contour, I'm going to be taking an angled brush like this. It's very tiny. A really good friend got me a whole little bag full of brushes, and they're amazing. So shout out to her. Now I'm going to be blending upwards. Okay, and then the same thing on the other side. And I know it looks so crazy right now, but trust me, once we put the foundation on top, you honestly won't even see it. So I actually got a new foundation. I'm hoping that it works well. I actually looked it up before even buying it. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in shade Soft Tan or 228. I'm scared, but let's see how this turns out. I don't like to use too much foundation as I pour like all of that. So we're just gonna put there. Just put it right under the contour that you just did. Okay, why does my forehead take up all that foundation? And if you see me looking over here, it's because I have my another mirror right behind the camera. Okay. And I'm just gonna take the rest with the sponge and blend that out. Oh, wow. It just covered everything. And you see what I tell you? Just trust the process. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Banana, what's it called? Banana Baby Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I only got a sample to try it, but it's amazing. Honestly, I've never seen a powder like this before. I'm gonna get this top and just pour some of the powder. I'm just gonna put this wherever I put the lighter concealer. And because this is more of an everyday look, I don't want to put too much powder. Carve out my contour. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Just press it. And I'm not gonna leave it on for too long, because I don't want it to look too perfect. And I also like to put some on my eyelids because I will be doing some eye makeup. So in order for it to stay better, use some powder. So now I'm taking the e.l.f. contour palette and I'm taking a slightly larger angled brush. It looks just like this one, it's just a little bit bigger. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna lightly fan it because I already have the contour under. I'm just gonna lightly fan it like that. Now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender to just blend that out so it doesn't look too harsh. So now for the eyebrows, I use the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Definer Pencil in shade Brunette. So I'm just gonna brush them up. I like to use the NYX the brow glue just to hold my eyebrows because they always fall. I don't know why. Like that. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry a little bit before I start. Finish doing this one off camera because it's easy. It's the easy brow. So with this one, I'm gonna do light strokes. I'm going to use this Milani blush that I love so much. Like, so a little goes a very long way. So I'm just gonna be using my fingers and placing this right on my cheekbone, like right on top of it, like that. I also like to put it on my temples. I'm using a brush because I feel like the sponge takes away a lot of the product. Now if I were to use a lot of product, I would use the sponge, but since I use a little bit, I just I'm just gonna use the brush. And to set that, I'm gonna be using the number 7 Apricot Blossom Powder Blush. So to blend that out, again, I'm gonna be using my sponge. So I got this new palette from my birthday. It is the 35C Everyday Chic Morphe palette, and I just love all the colors that it has. Like, it has everything you could possibly need. How did I just... Anyways, so the original brush that I use for my crease is not here. Lining my crease. Adding more color until I get it how I want it. Okay. Brown with this brush. It's kind of it helps really get into the crease. Since I have hooded eyes, smaller brushes are your best friend. So now I'm just gonna do that. And then towards the end, just want to blend it upwards, like that. So I brought the camera a little closer so y'all can see the eye makeup more clearly. I'm gonna take some of this, and I'm just putting this on my lid. And then to blend all that out, I'm just gonna go back in with the darker color. Also gonna be putting this dark brown that I put on the corners, bottom lash line. The farther you hold the brush away, the more control that you actually have, because you're not putting that much pressure on there. So it's really good to use that technique on the bottom. I'm gonna be trying these new lashes I got from Amazon. They're like this I guess doll-like lashes. I'm not really sure. I saw them, I keep seeing them everywhere on TikTok. I'm like, they're so cute, so I want to try them. These are, I don't even know how to say that really. Veleashalash. I'll just put it down in the description because I don't know how to say that. Now I'm gonna be taking some highlighter. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil. That's how it looks like. I love how this looks. It's so cute. And now I'm going to be using, oh wow, after I sharpen this, now I'm just going to put this white liner just on the middle. And now I'm just going to be using the Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal. And I'm just going to fan it on the bottom lashes. So I just take the tweezers and do this, clump some of them together. So now for my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in shade, what shade is this? Cold Brew. I'm doing this, and just recently got the Too Faced Lip Injection. Then I'm gonna set my face, same spray I was using before, and now I'm just gonna blend it. Oh my god, I almost forgot highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in shade Precious Pearls. It looks like skin. Like, do y'all see that? Putting some on my eyebrow. My bridge. Looks like close up. I think it's so cute. Alright, y'all, I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.